I'm Gene Klein. This is a 65 Shelby Daytona Coupe built in South Africa. 19 years old now. It's got a Roush 402 racing motor in it, 6-speed, independent suspension all the way around. So the first owner had it in Germany. It was on the Nuremberg ring, went 206 mile an hour, so pretty fast. This is our Backdraft Racing 427 Cobra. Wife Danielle owns this one. 5-speed manual transmission, independent suspension all the way around, built in South Africa. Had this one for going on 3 years now. Favorite feature is the top's down, just fun out in the sun. The 427 engine gets you going, just fun all around the car.